All right, so I think this is recording. I never really know. I would like to solve two equations, two absolute value equations in this video. In problem number, the absolute value, remember that the idea is the distance from the origin on a number line. Um, so here you could be 60 units to the right or 60 units to the left. So we take these absolute values and we split them into two equations. So we'll have this 10x that's inside the absolute value could represent the number negative 60, or this 10x that's inside the absolute value could represent the number positive 60, because the absolute value of negative 60 is equal to 60, and the absolute value of positive 60 is also 60. So now this is just two equations that you're very used to solving. X here is negative 6, and x here is positive 6. Those are our two solutions to this equation. We will see that when we have variables on the outside of the absolute values, that we could have a possibility for extraneous solutions. But here with just constants on the outside, we will not. Now here in problem number 2, it illustrates the first step that you should always do when solving an absolute value equation, and that's get the term that contains the absolute value by itself. So a lot of times they'll say isolate the absolute value term. So here, if we subtract 5 from each side, we've got the absolute value of x plus 8 is equal to, well, 2 minus 5 is a negative 3. And here we have a problem because absolute value, being a distance from the origin, is always going to be 0 or positive. We're never going to have an absolute value equaling a negative number, so there's no value of x that will satisfy this equation, so we say there is no solution, or that the solution set is the empty set. All right, so I hope those two problems help, and I will talk to you later. Bye.